Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to update your Windows 11 to version 25H2 because of this error code that is 0xc19001df. Now the first step is to run these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time. It will run a scan. Once the scan is 100% complete, copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete, then copy the third command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the third scan is 100% complete over here, then restart your computer, and after the system restart you can check. Still not working. The next step is to type in services in Windows search box and then click on services. Find app readiness, make a double click on app readiness, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then click on OK. Make a right click on app readiness, click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. Make a right click and then click on restart. Now find Windows Update, scroll down somewhere at the bottom you will see Windows Update, make a double click, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK, make a right click on Windows Update, then click on restart. Now once done, now you can check. Still not working. Then open Windows settings, go to Windows Update. Over here you can see pause option. You can hit pause over here. Once paused, now you can click on resume updates and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to use Windows 11 installation assistant. You can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. The link is provided in the video description. Here you can see Windows 11 installation assistant. Click on download now and run this exe file. Click on yes to allow. Now if there is any update option or install option, you can install it from here and then check. Still not working. The next step is to use fix problems using Windows Update. Go to Windows Update in Windows settings, go to advanced options, scroll down. Here you can see recovery option, click on it. Here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time, and once this is done, restart your computer and then check. Still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. Scroll down, it will take you to Microsoft website. Now scroll down, here you can see media creation tool, click on download now and then run this exe file and then click on accept over here. By default Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next, select ISO file over here and then click on next. You can save it to desktop, click on save and then let the download complete. This will take some time. Once this is done, click on finish option over here and let this close automatically. It will take a couple of seconds or maybe a minute to close. Once closed, go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept, and here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked and then hit install. After the installation, you can log into the computer and then update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to update your Windows 11 to version 25H2. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.